Let's learn how to do a professional looking blowout at home. I begin with clean, damp hair. To prep my hair, I apply a thickening primer right at the roots. I have fine to medium wavy hair, so this will provide a good lift and a good foundation for my blowout. Next, I'll use a heat protectant. Only a small amount of product is needed. I don't want to apply too much because it will weigh my hair down. I apply from the mid shaft of my hair to the ends, making sure that I work it through and work it into the hair. Once my hair has been prepped with product, I like to run my fingers through thoroughly so the protectant is well distributed and each strand of hair is evenly coated. I'm using the Claudia paddle brush. It's perfect for detangling and helps distribute all the product evenly. As I brush, I start from the ends and gently work my way up, especially while my hair is wet and in a fragile state. Once I've prepped my hair well with product and given it a good foundation for the blowout, I'll section my hair into 4 quadrants, leaving the bottom layer of the hair out. For a perfect blowout, it's always better to start from the bottom section and move your way up. To give my hair that salon finish, I'm using the La Mora brush. As I work my way through each section, I split each section in half. It's important to keep your section small, about the width and thickness of the brush or less, so you have full control to achieve that salon finish. I start at the root and glide the brush down, making sure to hold steady tension. As I work my way down the shaft of the hair, I follow the brush with the dryer, keeping the airflow pointed downward, and I like to twist slightly at the ends for that soft bend. The La Mora brush has shorter white boar bristles, which provide a softer and more gentle grip while giving optimal root tension for volume. The French nylon bristles help hair retain its shape while smoothing the cuticle and sealing in shine. After I work through each section, I'll focus on the face framing layers or bangs. I start by directing the brush forward with steady tension, then sweeping them back while guiding the dryer along with it. This back and forth motion helps create a soft, signature swoop and shape around the face. Once I have a form that I like, I glide my brush downward and I smooth out to finish the ends. As a finishing touch, I like to hit the roots from underneath for a little extra lift. You can use the Cool Shot setting to lock everything into place. This is hands down one of the best tools that I own. It makes my wavy and frizzy hair incredibly smooth and shiny, and gives me a pro blowout at home, anytime. As a final tip, be sure to clean your brush once you've finished. I recommend using a brush rake like the Chicho or a cleaning tool like the Dada to remove any hair from your brush and clean any product residue that's left behind. Because the La Mora brush is made of all natural materials, if you take good care of it, it'll last you a lifetime.